What does sensory processing feel like? An occupational therapist friend of mine recently told me that sensory processing disorder can often feel like static on the radio. You know, if you're driving or you're listening to the radio and there's a lot of static and it makes it really hard, you can't hear the music, you can't really concentrate on other things. It's kind of like that, but all the time and bigger. That kind of distraction, it makes it really hard to focus on anything else. So if you're constantly distracted by one of your senses, then it's going to make it really hard to focus on your teacher, on your schoolwork, on listening to anybody, or focusing on anything that needs to be focused on. So sensory processing is very real, very serious, and it can very directly impact people's lives. If you'd like to learn more, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like and comment if you have any questions. The link to my free sensory literacy starter kit is in the comments as well as the description. Thank you so much, and remember to mind your senses.